that resonate no matter who you are is the projection of your voice, the excitement of what you're saying and what you're doing, and it could resonate. Dave, Lex, they felt it. They felt your connection, and Lex brought it up in in a speech that it says that your energy is what actually pulls you in. So it doesn't matter. Your energy that you push, people hear it, they feel it, they sense it. And to be a good speaker, that's one of those things that you need to be able to do, because it's that connection to that actual audience. Great projection, great poise, you command this audience. So we always talk about this whole speaking area, the speaking box, and you did that. You were very calm, you had great positions in your hands, how you kept your hands, you even kept one in your pocket, and it showed how comfortable you are in giving this presentation. What I liked, it's all about the story, right? In order for you to be an effective communicator, you have to develop that story, and you were able to do that. One of those things that I would just caution you to do is just, when you're punching in numbers, when you're telling people numbers, say the numbers, because it'll help you enunciate that word and finish that thought process in order for people to actually absorb it. And other than that, amazing job. It's all about family, ideas, and influences. And I don't know.
All right.